Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to combine multiple PowerPoint presentations into one. Merging slides from different PowerPoint presentations allows you to seamlessly integrate content from multiple files, streamline your presentation flow, and create a more cohesive and impactful narrative for your audience. So let's start the video. So these are the two PowerPoint presentations that we want to combine. Open the first PowerPoint file. Now click on the Insert tab and then click on down arrow in New Slide. And from the menu, click on Reuse Slides. On the right panel, click on Browse button to locate and select other PowerPoint presentation from which you want to add slides in this presentation. Now click on Open. Now these are the slides in other PPT file. Now to apply current theme to all these slides, right click on it and then click on Apply Theme to All Slides. To add individual slides, simply click on it and it will be added to this presentation. Now if you want to add all the slides at once, then right click on it and click on Insert All Slides. So that's how to combine two PowerPoint presentations into one. Thanks for watching.